Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. This is orientation weeks back, class 1, and the subject is mathematics. The topic which we are going to discuss is today what comes between. It's mean ke you have to provided with two digits like this, and you will fill up in between these two digits, like what is the digit which comes after 3 and which comes before 5. So what is the digit which comes after 4? It's 4, and 4 is the same digit which comes before 5. So 4 is the digit which comes in between 3 and 5. Similarly, the digit which comes in between the 7 and 5 is 6. These are all questions according to the examples which I introduced to you. You will solve these questions according to my instructions. Now move towards the next page. What's missing? Means here are some questions in which at the end a digit is missing. Some questions in which between some digits are missing, and here are some questions in which first digit is missing. So you have to fill it by yourself. Like here is the first question in which the last digit is missing. You will fill by yourself, like 8, 9, and the digit which comes after 9 is 10. Let's look an example in which the digit in between is missing, like the 14 and 16. The between digit is missing. You will write the digit which comes in between the 14 and 16. So what is this digit? It's 15. Look at this question. Question number P. First digit is missing, and after this two digits are written, 23 and 4. You will fill up this question, like what is the digit which comes before 23? So it's 22. You will do all the questions given here according to the question that what's missing. Move towards the next page. Here is an activity for you, ascending and descending order. Ascending order is the order in which you arrange the numbers or the digit in an order in which the firstly you write the smallest digit. Ascending order में आप छोटे से छोटा डिजिट आप फर्स्ट लिखते हैं, फिर उसके बाद उससे ग्रेटर, फिर उसके बाद उससे ग्रेटर, एंड उसके बाद उससे ग्रेटर, इस तरह से लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट डिजिट आपका स्मॉलर होता है. Look at the first question here. 1, 3, 5, 4. In this blank, first of all you will write the digit which is smallest in between these 4. Like what is the smallest digit? सबसे छोटा digit यहाँ पर कौन सा है? So 1 is the smallest digit. You will write 1 here. And here you will write the greatest digit from this sequence. So what is the greatest digit? 5 is the greatest digit. You will write 5 here. Now arrange these according to the sequence, that first of all you will write the digit which is least. सबसे छोटा digit आपने यहाँ पर लिखना है. So what is the digit which is least? 1 is the smallest digit. You will write here 1, and the digit which will come after 1 greater than 1 here 3. You will write 3. After 3 you will write the digit which is greater to 3 is 4. Now here you will write 4, and the digit which is greater and the last